In this session, I'm going to show you a switch construct of PHP. Now, switch is used in cases where you know that your variable is going to take certain number of values. Suppose if you have um, if you have a number over here, and you let's say you are inputting random numbers into this num variable. Let's put a random integer between 0 to 10. Now this random integer is a function in PHP, so it will assign a random number between 0 to 10 to this num variable. So what we can do is we can based on this value we can use a switch statement. Let's echo out the number and see what we get each time we refresh the page. So this time we've got 9, 6, 4, so it's a random number. Let's use a switch construct on this random number. So to start with, a switch statement starts with a switch keyword, and it takes in a variable inside the opening and closing brackets, and it has a curly opening and curly brackets, and it has got cases over here, it has got a break statement, and it has got a default block over here. So since a num is an integer, let's say 0th case echo 0, and let's have some more cases over here. So for the case when the value is 1, we are going to say 1. We're going to do something else. And when the value is 2, we're going to say hi there. And when the value is 3, we're going to say suppose test. Now, and the default is going to be echo default. Now if the number generated over here is between 0, 1, 2 and 3, then we are going to get this values outputted, else we are going to get default. So let's see 0, 0. Oh, okay. I missed out the variable over here. That should be it. Let's do this. So now we are going to this, and let's echo this number, what we are getting. So I'm going to put a break. Let's do it again. So it is 3. So now we are going to 3 and we are saying test. 9. We don't have a 9 over here, so we are going default. I'm going to I want same thing to have same code to be executed for 4. So if I get a 4, it will be test. But there's a shortcut for this. You can use this over here. You can delete this and paste it over here, and delete this case, because we are executing the same instructions. So now when the case is 3 or 4, it is going to execute this block. So in that way we can group some cases that will execute the same instructions. So So this is mostly used when you have different cases based on the variable. Um, a lot of these things can be done using if-else statement as well, but for some cases, in some situations, a switch case makes more sense than an if-else. I usually prefer, when I know the cases, I do a switch statement when I know the cases, and if-else in different scenarios when I have some comparisons between different variables. Um, if else will work on different variables, but a switch will only work on a single variable, and the single variable taking many cases. So just remember that. That's it for now. If you find this videos helpful, then please like or subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.